Hi everyone, so this video is going to be a very quick video, and in this video I'm going to show you how actually you can find all the formula that have inside the Excel, and you can also check all the function and how it actually works. So first of all, we need to open our Excel. So here I'm using the Excel 2019. Create a new blank workbook. So inside here you will see this option, this formula tab on the top. We go to the formula, and here you can see this option, insert function. You can here see some function library like some math, everything you can see here. But if you want to find a specific and also want the example, you just need to go to this option here, insert functions. So I just click on insert function. Now you can see there is all the function, and you can also see there is all the written information here. You can search here any function you want by name, and there is an option to select the category. So if you want to find between all the categories, you just need to click on here and click on all. So once you click on all, then you can search here. So if I just search for MUL and then go, you can see all the function here, the multinomial and everything that have MUL in this name, they will show up here, and you can also see all the details. Now I'll show you how actually you can find the example of each function and how you can also learn them. So here I just select this multinomial. So I just select this one and I click on help on this function. So once I click on this, it will automatically get to your this function option. You can see this multinomial function, and here you can see all the example and detailed explanation by Microsoft officially. So you do not need to go any other further places to learn this. You can just search here and see all the description, and everything is written here. And if I just select another function like this MMULT, so I just select this one and then click on help on this function. You can see the same thing, the MMULT function here, and also all the details here. You can check everything from here, every details and everything given here. So this way you can get all the details, and every example is already provided by Microsoft. So you just need to go to this option, just go to an Excel and insert function, and from here you just need to go to and search for all the categories from here, and then you can choose all the function and everything, and just select any function and click on this help on this function. So this was the quick tutorials how you can find all the function in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video helped, and if you learned something new, please consider subscribing my channel, and do let me know if you need any help. I'll see you guys on the next video.